The removal of Honorable Riek Moitang from his position as a member of parliament is yet another bad and rash decision made by President Salva Kiir. This move should not be ignored by other members of the SPLM-IO in the Transitional National Legislative Assembly. On Monday, August 4, 2025, one of the most concerning news stories was that President Kiir had revoked the appointment of Riek Moitang, who was representing Nasser County under the SPLM-IO ticket. He was appointed through the term of the 2018 Revitalized Agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. According to the peace agreement, the unity government was to be made up of 35 ministers, 10 deputy ministers, and 550 parliamentarians. Out of this, the incumbent government led by Kiir Mayardit would have 2 vice presidents, 21 ministers, 5 deputy ministers, and 332 parliamentarians. The SPLM-IO, led by current detainee Dr. Riek Machar, would receive the position of first vice president, 9 ministers, 3 deputy ministers, and 128 members of parliament. The South Sudan Opposition Alliance, or SOA, would receive 1 vice president, 3 ministers, 1 deputy minister, and 50 MPs. The former detainees would have 1 vice president, 2 ministers, and 10 MPs. The other political parties will receive 1 minister and 1 deputy minister and 30 MPs. This political arrangement has been repeatedly violated by President Salva Kiir Mayardit earlier this year in February. He made a move that many saw as breaking the peace agreement. Despite these challenges, Mr. Riek Moitang stood firm. He spoke out strongly against President Kiir's action. As a key SPLM-IO leader in the diaspora under Dr. Riek Machar and the deputy chairperson of the Foreign Affairs Committee, Honorable Tang's voice was loud and clear, and it is upsetting the President Salva Kiir Mayardit. What made President Kiir and his allies even more upset was when Mr. Tang represented South Sudan at the World Bank and International Monetary Fund spring meetings of 2025. During this time, he met many financial leaders from around the world. His active participation on the global stage made the government uncomfortable. As a loyal member of the SPLM-IO, I call on the remaining 127 SPLM-IO parliament members to resign from this tribal government led by Salva Kiir. If President Kiir does not want to respect the agreement or include all South Sudanese, then let him run his Dinka-only government without the rest of us. Well, this is a message from Lulgat Kwot Galwak, Bana Jome, Bana Jelinkel, Shet Kadwobadan, and Shaje Nunkeje, Kogur Konobanti Diality, Telat Korean Bana Klinkel. Well, Andamandu ni chan kwas nyak maria nong roi gwasame kajan lere men jo bana kwen dwobadan en sha Honorable Riek Moitang cha de wikeje re kume ka Kiir Mayardit ko Riek Moitang generam kelme bumbum long melede long ko de kume SPLM-IO menu kuma South Sudan de roniam kaje ban ngai kon diale no mishit kana me sha je no ka Kiir Mayardit kon Kiir jen dwal ka jangai kon diale no dwal jendong ba position rana tetin ba je wikeje kum SPLM-IO special dong de Dr. Machar der position dan tetin no der janang kaje chan mandan en chalat gwas me chan jomeling no Honorable Riek Moitang jen charge wika position ki ko commandant tetin jen a member of parliament na many alarmi bej long ko men chala da Kiir Mayardit ka do me chepet ke je no no wo je Honorable Riek Moitang chagu je no en mishala de chi chuang ki chi magwa ko di Riek Moitang jen cha kwan ke do magwa ko bala kwar ka kwi malgame da ne cha ta in ke 2018 me ngai kon diale la revitalized peace agreement under Kiir kan Dr. Riek Machar and robe dan e kwan kaje ko jen bala ram kelmi members SPLM-IO me be Nasser County be chonka kwida ka parliament no ka jen lere da ne sha chulat ka television dung South Sudan kir ma yadi shikir ma yadi she or she to bono ne she honorable ras mo tang che jawuch na men to ka jelat chanka ngwan ka pai badak ron kina dangra wid jan dangra wid dich no ala 2 days ago and wala shanga bakel ka pai badak ron kina dangra wid jan dangra wid dich ka jowe shik chaladen kir ma yadi chalado ne cha rat mo tang che jawuch a la representative ka Nasser County ka parliament under SPLMIO ticket jan cha jawuch no ka jan 2018 revitalized peace agreement da ne shatan alo shabelet ka transitional national legislative assembly ray which ka South Sudan jo me chalat according to the peace agreement da ne shatan ke mali shatan chala do ne alami cha kume mi charger ale ka chala da no ere kuma ka unity government and paichak wana dare yikta ke ministry to shop ka jan dok with the dh kada de ke deputy ministry to shop ka well la kwarwell kada te ke ne to shop ka kudang deju de jan de la lwa kan bor la man chal ke parliamentarians ni ala ne de 550 parliamentarian ke ne de kon de let ka parliament ka jowe da ne sharia le ka alo de ran moitang der let gwasmo ko wudi ramkel mishar recognize and obilet ke ticket dung SPLIO but milero de mo gwasme men kwajel wikeje shikir me yadi chegu jeno chaje la de jeko si wude me ala honorable ran moitang jen chewuchong ka gwaso Sudan gwade dane ken kum Sudan ken malchu gwade cha malcha jo tan sorry gwade dan cha dol cha jo latin re which ka USA so man je milling tema kan kono niam chana mandan lero chana je gwatmen la kum kirma yadi ne ka gwase dan la me dane chana cha ka kwan chala do ne we South Sudan derte ke 2 vice president ke 21 minister ke 5 deputy minister ke 332 parliamentarian te delet ala SPLIO marai ke Dr. Yang Machar they can take first vice president by the way first vice president Dara Dungdien they can take a minister Dang Bangwan they can take a 3 deputy minister they can take a 128 members of parliament they jan korjan dang rid badak te dia nekien te delet re parliament ka jowe dan e shalat keje na me ajena agreement dan e chatan yani ka gwade dan de South Sudan opposition alliance menchal keswa they can take they can take one vice president can 3 ministers ka 1 deputy minister ka they can take 50 MPs to the let re parliament ka re which in me but ko chi kirme yadit she gujeno ti shagwa she gorno be kayar chanyo lad bano ala parliament shall ka other political Chandler former detainees la okay de kon lar shere mi kenetin kontin la kwar gwaseme ne te kon sha gujeno de kwade kene jek chala do de former detainee ne de sha yenwal de kan take one by president ke 2 minister ke 10 MPs ka tichal ke other political parties tichal ke OPP de kan take 1 minister ke 1 deputy minister ke 30 MPs to let ka parliament bana me chabutu ko gwate dane chikin me yadi chelode be jiak me shegu jeno te kane timo shegore kumeka shogoro no bene ideality ba ka wuj batanin ba ka wuj baraina murai kone wuda right kon go kirme honorable rad moitang jen wacha loche kirme yadi te jako be jiak do be dan e shawu chon kaje la rami maku South Sudan ku je represent ka general ku mesfelayo ka chaja gor kirno dera wo George gwadan en wa no wajalaten Mr. Moitang jen aram kelme bumalong la roje boldly against President Kirma Yadi lo la andi jekti alko la Kirma Yadi la ka rija kila ka loko as a key SPLMIO leader ka diaspora ko terar ke deputy chairperson of the foreign affairs committee alam Mr. Rat Moitang jode ni chiang la jaliang kene dial ka jaka lo Kirma Yadi ko be jak jen menen yena woje Rat Moitang ka jamone kajan parliament amene okay gwade me ka gwade dana ishe wote ke misha realeka la dol ka World Bank and International Monetary Fund misha la IMF spring meeting ma chawalat ke jen 2025 5 so la year 2025 me ramedane chi South Sudan represent Red Moitang ke key financials gwade dane shi leader in South Sudan te la kwari yoni eno me shi ke jen kan malchuben winami ko shi delay men che to kan ke tele budget no chu Red Mo chu nyuran gwat me men me che alrightin na mo che South Sudan government ke kuma kirmi yadit chalo dien che jaga jajet no dwobe me ay wajan andan an wo kerat Moitang wudi shalka me kirmi yadit ajane ngum mo Red Moitang alel wene mi no ka Red Moitang kire control honorable che mugwana jen long che jalat kedin dial kon la lat ke rami mo mun no goide no ado kolarno Red Moitang wo keje ko jen rami bol mula roch ke jomi gwa kala tin jeg dial kon lat ke kum kirmi yadit kene me cha gore kire kirmi yadi lakan kwa lungno era mo right ke against them lakan agoron became removed chicken goro no teram de civilian situation de ja address de kuma jega de ja address so ne totone chicken kano so tem sha ene no cha honorable Red Moitang cha jo but men ngat ke longan tema honorable Red Moitang mo dakri ma char we barar be position be nyok jek ano chara woj lora bang no ko kuma kir mayadi tebeten mana gwade ajor no jo me agenda na gore de nywa kon kel mi jira mi jidich kan war online tv channel gore jano jin der subscribe ko de notification bell der je twany no ka der je nywa ko kan ko ken an ban yo je kala rodien no biata kamal